Hello everyone, welcome you all and I hope you are all doing well. So in this video, we are going to start the limits. Okay, first we will discuss what is the neighborhood of a real number. Okay, so before going into the definition of the neighborhood of a real number, first we will understand what is the meaning of the neighborhood in mathematics. Okay, for example, consider a number line. So this is our the number line. Here minus infinity to infinity we have the numbers 0. Here have positive numbers 1 2 3 so on. Here we have negative numbers -1 -2 so on. So what is my intention here is that I need to find what is the neighborhood of 2. For an example, means what I need to find the neighborhood of 2. What are the neighbors of the 2? So what I will do, I will zoom this number line. So like this. So in number line somewhere here 2 will be. So what my intention is to find what are the neighborhood of 2. So what I will do, what are the possible approach towards 2? There are two ways. One, from the left side you can come towards 2, or from the right side of the 2 you can come towards 2. Means we are approaching towards 2 from the left side of the 2. Means I'm coming towards the 2 from the left side of the 2. I'm coming closer to 2. I will come somewhere and stop here. So this is called the left neighborhood of the 2. As we are approaching towards the 2 from the left side, it is called the left neighborhood. It is denoted by 2 to the power of minus. Means what? We are approaching towards the 2 from the left side of the 2. Okay. Similarly, if we are approaching towards the 2 from the right side of the 2, means from the right side, I'm approaching towards the 2, I'm coming closer to the 2. I will somewhere stop here. This is called the right neighborhood of the 2. It is denoted by plus and it is denoted by minus. Understood? So 2 plus means what? We are approaching towards the 2 from the right side of the 2. So we can conclude that a real number has two neighborhoods. One is left neighborhood and one is right neighborhood. Understood? So what is left neighborhood? We are approaching towards the 2 from the left side of the 2. So it is called the left neighborhood of the 2. And we are approaching towards the 2 from the right side of the 2. It is called the right neighborhood of the 2. Okay. Similarly, suppose this is a number line. Now here x equal to a is any real number. So again we are approaching towards the a from the left side of the a. We are coming closer to the a. So this will call the a minus, that is called the left neighborhood of a. Okay, and we are approaching towards the a from the right side of the a. It is called what? Right neighborhood of a. It is denoted by a plus. Okay, so we have two neighborhoods, left neighborhood and right neighborhood of every real number. Okay, so this is the, for example 2, this is the left neighborhood, is denoted by 2 minus and it is denoted by 2 plus. So look here, this left neighborhood 2 minus will always be slightly lesser than 2, is it or not? So this left neighborhood value will be approximately what? 1.99, 1.97, 1.92, like this. Okay, so the left neighborhood value will always be slightly lesser than the 2. Okay, now what about the right neighborhood of a? It is slightly larger than 2. It can be like 2.01, 2.001, like this. Okay, so we have to understand this. Left neighborhood is slightly lesser than the 2 and the right neighborhood is slightly larger than the 2. Okay, so this is about the neighborhood definition in mathematics. Okay, now what this actual definition means, let us study with the use of graph. So consider this is the x or y graph. This is x-axis and this is the y-axis and this is the origin. Now consider any arbitrary function. So I'm getting, this is a function. Okay, now at function, this is what? This is the value at x is equals to a. Okay, this is what? This is the value of x is equals to a. So now similarly, how I found the neighborhood, similar way I will find the neighborhood of this a. So what we'll do, we'll approach towards the a from the left side. So we are coming closer to a here. So this is called the left neighborhood of a. So if I substitute the value in the function, I will get one answer. Okay, similarly we are approaching towards the a from the right side. So this will be my right neighborhood of a. So if we substitute the value in the function, I will get an answer. Okay, so what is the answer? That is a secondary matter. We'll discuss when we are defining the limit of a function. Now here my intention is just to explain what are the neighborhoods. Okay, now so x here, what, let x be the any real number. Okay, x is the real number. Now this delta be the small positive real number, means what, see here, this distance is very small, so I will denote this with the delta. Delta is nothing but the small distance. If this is delta, and this is also what, delta. Okay, so this is the delta. So what is saying, the interval a minus delta, this is left neighborhood a minus delta, comma a plus delta is called the neighborhood of a. This is called the neighborhood of a. This portion is called the neighborhood of a. Understood? This is called the neighborhood of a. Understood? Now tell me, what is the left neighborhood? If you talk about the left neighborhood of a, what is the left neighborhood of a? It is nothing but a minus delta comma a. This is the left neighborhood. This is the left neighborhood. A minus delta comma a is the left neighborhood. If I talk about the right neighborhood, so what is the right neighborhood of this function? It is nothing but a comma a plus delta. So this is a plus delta. So this is the right neighborhood of the function of x is equals to a. So understood, this is the left neighborhood and this is the right neighborhood of the x is equals to a. Now if I, so this is what, this is the complete neighborhood. In this neighborhood, if I exclude x is equal to a, means what, if I am excluding x is equal to a, that is called the deleted neighborhood of a. What does it mean? You see, a minus delta comma a, this is the left neighborhood, union of a comma a plus delta, it is called the deleted neighborhood of the a. It is called what? Deleted neighborhood of a. Deleted neighborhood of a. Okay, this is called the deleted neighborhood of a. What is deleted neighborhood of a? This all portion, from that we are excluding x is equals to a, this line we are removing this line, so complete, it is called the deleted neighborhood of a. I hope you understand what is the neighborhood of a and what is the deleted neighborhood of a. So what is the left neighborhood, what is the right neighborhood? Okay, so in next video we will discuss about the limit of a function. Thank you.